Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Today's our video is marketing cloud software. First of all, we are open Google and searching marketing cloud software. That is Sales for Marketing Cloud pricing demo reviews feature. What is Sales for Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud offers B2C and B2B cross-channel marketing to a large number of industries, available as a standalone or as a part of the Salesforce customer 360 suite. It is easily to plug into a larger ecosystem as required: digital marketing, advertising, email marketing, social media marketing, and customer engagement marketing are among its many. I'm sorry. Engagement are among its many features. Benefits and instigates. Key differentiator and advantage is of a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Fit to need, easily share to data, accesses anywhere, optimize mobile marketing, do more with apps, streamline task, industry expertise. Thank you all of us. Allah Hafiz.